Once they are seeing the scenario, hurry, you did correct run. So is it possible to make a separate gym in your own place?
No.
Is it possible to maintain a separate swimming pool in your own place?
No. Yes.
No way. But here all the facilities by default will be there. All the facilities by default will be there. Next network we can build. We have,
Yeah, for our
suppose,
kids also it would
for
be
our kids
great.
also, wonderful network. All these things are going to be happen. Okay, like next, if I have almost my community, 576 families are there. If I have any small issue, if I have any small problem, owners association group is there. Anyone, can you please help me on this? Minimum 10 members are going to respond anytime.
Yeah.
Getting the point?
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
Minimum 10 members. So I have 10 lakhs money. Anyone? So I have some money. I'm looking for investment options. Anyone, can you please provide? 576 members. At least 10 members are going to tell, oh, this is the thing I'm doing. If you want, you can personally, you can message me, or otherwise I'm staying B407, or I'm staying some A1515. Like they are going to tell, immediately we can connect, and there is a possibility.
Yeah.
So now
Security also will be there.
wonderful, 24 hours. Even if I'm leaving my house for next 15 days, only my wife and kids are there, no problem. I never require to think about security. 25 members, 24/7, 25 security people are guarding my community. Complete CC cameras, all these things by default will be there. So we are not required to worry. Even sometimes, we went to the place, we went to our native places 2 days or 3 days just by taking the door near. After coming back, also nothing is going to be happen. Are you in the position to understand? Okay, just my personal experience. That's my personal thing. Okay, like that. So because money, networking, right who's can change our life. A right who is the shortcut for your success.